Facebook's advertising platform is arguably the most powerful and targeted advertising platform out there. Its vast database of billions of data points on all of us, even those who don't use Facebook, can be utilised to create extremely targeted ad campaigns. Of course, this has received a fair amount of scrutiny in the media recently, with Cambridge Analytica being a very prominent example of how the data was used for the worse. The data field has become so rich and Facebook's AI targeting has become so intelligent that you can now see an ad for something you're interested in on Facebook with shocking accuracy. Have you ever been meaning to buy something or discuss something with a friend and within the same day you see a relevant ad pop up on your Facebook newsfeed? Well, if it's an ad for a company you've never purchased from before or never interacted with before, then often the reason you're seeing the ad is due to an AI-powered lookalike audience. So let's explain exactly what a lookalike audience is and how it understands what you want to buy, sometimes before you even know. Advertisers using the Facebook ad platform upload their current customer database. Usually this is in the form of email addresses and phone numbers of every customer who's ever ordered from them. Once uploaded, Facebook scans through each individual email address and attempts to match it with an email address of an existing user on Facebook, for example, the one they signed up with. Facebook will usually find a match 50 to 80% of the advertiser's database, so Facebook knows exactly who those matched customers are, their full profiles and all of their activity on their platform. And this is something they've managed to do just with either their email address or their phone number. Now that the advertiser has matched a custom audience on Facebook with at least 1,000 people, they can use that audience as a seed to create the lookalike audience. This is where the AI magic and Facebook's huge data set comes into play. Firstly, Facebook's data engine scours every profile within the customer audience and looks for similar data points or similar trends amongst those users. For example, it may discover that 80% of the customers are male. It may discover that 60% of them age between 21 and 30. And 75% of them appear to be in long-term relationships. This is all simple profile data that each user has willingly submitted in order to create their profile. But it doesn't stop there. Facebook can dig deeper by looking at interactions, image uploads and places visited. For example, it may find that customers tend to like images and videos involving sport. They may follow many football related pages, they have uploaded images that contain a football field, or have visited and tagged themselves in football stadiums across the country. Suddenly, Facebook's AI is able to paint a very clear picture of general characteristics and interests of those customers. It's able to then take those learnings and data points in order to discover other users on Facebook who have similar data patterns and look alike to the existing customers. In summary, Facebook's AI is profiling and then seeking similar people all in a matter of minutes to the scale of millions of people per lookalike audience. Advertisers can also choose the scale of how similar the new lookalike audience is to their existing customers, on a scale of 1% to 10% of the population on Facebook within any given country. For example, if an advertiser chooses the first 1% who appear to be most like their customers in the UK, then this audience will consist of 420,000 people. Finally, the last step for the advertiser is to select the newly created lookalike audience, choose an ad to deliver to it, and then set a budget. Once approved, usually within minutes, ads will begin to deliver to those users on Facebook who have just been placed into their lookalike audience by Facebook's AI, but they've never actually purchased or seen the advertiser before. That's how Facebook's lookalike audiences know what you want to buy before you do. So if you liked this video and want to see more, then please gently tap that like button and leave a comment below. It helps the YouTube algorithm to push my videos with every like and comment I get, so I would greatly appreciate it as I'm trying to build my channel. I also read all the comments, so if there's something you'd like me to make a video on, then let me know, and if there's enough requests for something, I'll make it happen. Also, I will be releasing a video once a week from now on, so if you'd like to see my next videos in your feed, then please hit the subscribe button too, and you'll be able to see what's coming next. I promise you it's worth it. I would subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm looking forward to next time.